Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoiner Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Dogecoin. Today's news will be about Elon Musk and his favorite Dogecoin. He said, "I won't sell." Tesla billionaire Elon Musk issues inflation advice as the price of his Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin plummet. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices have been under pressure through most of 2022, with the Bitcoin price losing almost 20% so far this year. The Ethereum price and other major cryptocurrencies have also fallen sharply as bullish investors balk at the prospect of rising interest rates and a slowdown in pandemic-era stimulus measures. Now, Tesla billionaire Elon Musk, who sent shockwaves through the crypto world when he added $1.5 billion of Bitcoin to Tesla's balance sheet last year, has said he still owns and won't sell his Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin, advising people not to hold dollars when inflation is high. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high, Musk said via Twitter as part of a conversation with Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor. "I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum or Doge." Musk, who'd asked his Twitter followers what their thoughts were about the probable inflation rate over next few years, was replying to Saylor, the chief executive of business intelligence software company MicroStrategy, who predicted consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation over the next few years, adding, "Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt, and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify." "It is not entirely unpredictable that you would reach that conclusion," Musk responded, referring to Saylor's large Bitcoin holdings. MicroStrategy, a decades-old software company, has pivoted to a Bitcoin acquisition vehicle over the last couple of years. MicroStrategy now holds just over 125,000 Bitcoins, currently valued at about $4.8 billion. Musk, who's become one of the most divisive figures in the crypto community over the last year, has repeatedly called for upgrades to the meme-based Bitcoin rival Dogecoin, suggesting last year Doge could work with Ethereum to beat Bitcoin hands down. While Musk has said he personally owns Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin, it's not known how much or when he bought the cryptocurrencies. Last week, the latest U.S. inflation numbers showed consumer price inflation rocketed to a 4-decade high, as rent, fuel and food costs climbed even before Russia's invasion of Ukraine triggered a sharp rise in energy prices. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is set to hike interest rates for the first time, withdrew in a down channel, yellow, over the last 9 days. This pullback found support at its 2-week trendline support near the $0.115 mark. Consequently, the bulls found a pattern breakout and jumped above its 4-hour 20 EMA. The immediate hurdle for the alt was still at the 50 EMA sign. At press time, Doge traded at $0.1224. After heading into the oversold region, the RSI revived in an ascending triangle. As a result, it broke above the 40-mark resistance as the buyers stepped in to claim an edge. Now, the 53 level could pose a barrier as the sellers endeavored to counter the bullish pressure. Also, the DMI lines reaffirmed the increasing buying influence, but were yet to witness a bullish crossover. As the bulls finally gathered enough impetus from its January lows, AVAX noted staggering 85.2% gains until 17 February. Then, they all found itself on the back foot as the bears tested the $66 floor. The most recent bearish phase marked a down channel, yellow, that led AVAX below its point of control, red, POC. But, in light of the increasing bullish vigor over the last 2 weeks, buyers controlled the $70 mark, while propelling it close above its POC. Thus, the pattern breakout supported the alt on its way above the 20 to 50 SMA. Now, the 200 SMA could see a prolonged clash between the buyers and sellers. At press time, AVAX was trading at $79.06, after noting 10.21% 24-hour gains. As it hovered above equilibrium, the bullish RSI saw a 28-point surge in 2 days. Any near-term pullback from here could find testing support near the 54-point. Gala lost its advantage after it failed to protect the $0.421 level. Since losing this mark, it has been range-bound between the above level and the $0.181 mark. The recent sell-off phase pushed. Well, now we will discuss the Dogecoin price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. Dogecoin is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Dogecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Dogecoin will remain at its current level for